Eva Padlock, a famous Spanish model and social media sensation, rose to prominence through her social media activity and posing for several modeling campaigns. She is known as Monster Girl because she is one of the models who promote Monster energy drink all over the world. Eva is undoubtedly well known among those who follow her on Instagram. Nonetheless, due to her secretive nature, many of them are unaware of her life, both professional and personal. However, in this article, we will go over everything about Padlock, including her age, height, boyfriend, career, net worth, social media influence, and much more. Real name: Eva Padlock. Nickname: Eva. Famous as model. Age: 37-year-old. Birthday: 13 May 1984. Birthplace: Barcelona, Spain. Birth sign: Taurus. Nationality: Spanish. Ethnicity: Spanish. Height: approx 5 feet 6 inches. Weight: 61 kilograms. Body measurements: 37, 25, 37 inches. Bra cup size: 34. Eye color: brown. Hair color: black.